What's up guys, today I'm going to be talking about some features that are available in macOS Mojave. So this is my MacBook Pro 15-inch and iPhone XR as you can see here. They are both running macOS Mojave 10.14.5 and iOS 12.3.1 as of when this video was made. So let's get right into it. So firstly I want to show you this amazing interface in macOS. It is called dark mode. It is a dynamic new look that helps you focus on your work. The subtle colors and the points of your content take center screen as toolbars and menus recede into the background. Dark mode can create a beautiful distraction-free working environment that is easy on the eyes in every way. Dark mode works with built-in apps that come with your Mac, and other apps can adopt it too. So for example, if I want to open Safari, you can see that it's completely black. Well, how to activate it? You go to System Preferences, you go to General, and then this is where you'll see light. You press on light, you'll come back to where you are in previous versions of macOS. But when you go to dark, here it is, dark mode. So another feature is the dynamic desktop. It matches the hour of the day wherever you are. So for example, in the afternoon, the lighting in the wallpapers at its peak brightness and the image of the Mojave Desert is depicted as it would be if you visited in the daytime with well-lit sand dunes and a bright blue day. At night, the sky in the wallpaper shifts to darker blue and to reflect that it is now evening. The shift between daytime and nighttime happens gradually over the course of the days. You will see subtle changes each time you look at your Mac display. So you can see here, this is the Mac display or wallpaper in the afternoon, and you can see here that it is dynamic. So if we press light, you can see here it is the typically what the wallpaper would look like in the afternoon, which is at 5 p.m. and this would look at night. So I decided to go with the dynamic wallpaper. So that's dynamic desktop for you. Another cool thing about macOS Mojave is stacks. It is a really neat way to manage files. So stacks keeps your desktop free of clutter by automatically organizing your file into related groups, arranged by kind to see images, documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, and more sort themselves. You can also group your work by date, and if you tag files with project-specific metadata like client names, sorting by stacks becomes a powerful way to manage multiple jobs. So let's say we go in the Finder, and then we just transfer here. Then you just need to go to view, and then it'll be like that. So that's how you use tags in Mojave. Now I want to talk to you about the Finder in macOS Mojave. For those who did not know about the Finder, it is an app that lets you open a picture, video, PDF, anything. It is similar to that of a Windows File Explorer. In the past, the Finder was just an app that helps you find your files. But with macOS Mojave, the Finder has new ways to view and more ways to view. Now you can quickly locate a file by how it looks, instantly see all of a file's metadata, and perform quick actions on files without ever opening an app. Is that cool? So one new feature that has been added in the Finder is Gallery View. With Gallery View, you can scroll to brief previews of your files to visually identify the one you're looking for. So finding an image or PDF has never been faster. This feature is very cool to me. It is called Quick Actions. With Quick Actions in the preview pane, you can work on files directly from the Finder, rotate images, create PDFs, stream video, and more without having to open an app or rename and save your file. You can even apply them to multiple files at once, or create a custom quick action based on an automated workflow. I like this feature. It is called Quick Look. You can work on a file without even opening it. Now a tap of the spacebar provides more than just a quick look at a file. It gives you the power to perform actions specific to the kind of file you're viewing without ever launching an app. So you can mark up a PDF, rotate and crop an image, even stream audio and video. And when you're ready, you can make share directly from Quick Look too. So this is gallery view. You can see how nice it is, and you can even play. Another cool thing about macOS Mojave, so nice. So you can share, you can rotate left, trim, all in the Finder without even opening an app. Isn't that cool? So that is the Finder in macOS Mojave. You can take screenshots with the new screenshot utility in Mojave. Now screenshot is a snap. With macOS Mojave, all the controls you need to grab any type of screenshot are one simple shortcut away. Just launch the new screenshot utility or press Shift Command 5. An easy to use menu includes new screen recording tools and options for setting a start timer, showing the cursor and even choosing where you like to save your screenshots. Take a screenshot and a thumbnail of it animates to the corner of the screen. Leave it there to automatically save it to the destination you have chosen. You can drag it directly into a document or click it to mark it up and share it straight away without having to save a copy. It's more than easy. It's clutter free. So we are going to be pressing Shift Command 5, and you can just capture entire screen, capture, select a window, and then capture. And here we are. We just took a screenshot of our Mac screen. So that is screenshot utility in Mojave. Another feature is the continuity camera. We can take a photo straight to the Mac. Now you can use your iPhone to shoot or scan a nearby object or document and have it automatically appear on your Mac. Just choose insert a photo from the file menu. You can take a photo of something on your desk and instantly see it in your Pages document. Or scan receipt and a straightened version is immediately available in the Finder as a PDF. Continuity camera works in the Finder, Mail, Messages, Notes, Pages, Keynote and Numbers. It's another way iPhone and Mac just click. So let me demonstrate it to you now. So if we go here in the launch pad, we launch Pages, and then come here, then we double click, take photo, and then you see it can take photo like this. Then we use photo, and here we go, it's here. And of course, FaceTime. You can add everyone into your conversation. With macOS Mojave, you can jump on a FaceTime call with up to 32 people. Invite anyone to join a call anytime it is in progress. And the same call can include both audio and video callers. So you and your friends or colleagues are able to connect using whatever device is closest at hand. Mac, iPhone, iPad, even Apple Watch. So FaceTime, I don't actually use FaceTime that often because since I already got that iPhone 10R 2 months ago, and I just got this MacBook Pro like 2 weeks ago. So I don't know anyone in my family who's using FaceTime, so I can't test this feature out. My apologies, but in the new feature when Catalina and iOS 13 comes out in the fall, I might actually do a full review on the features Catalina and iOS 13 has to offer. The Mac App Store is completely redesigned in Mojave. It is the most powerful way to explore apps on the Mac. The reimagined Mac App Store arrives with a new look and exciting new editorial content. Delve into insightful stories, browse curated collections, even watch videos, each designed to help you fine-tune your search for the perfect app. And it's all organized around the specific things you love to do on your Mac. So let's launch the Mac App Store. You can see right here that this is the redesigned Mac App Store, and I'm interested in this app. Final Cut Pro 10. So we can just press here. We can extend the power of Final Cut Pro 10, and you can see here that this is just like the App Store that we see on our iOS devices. So that is the redesigned Mac App Store. For those of you who are very cautious about piracy and security, macOS Mojave delivers top-notch security that has not been found in any antivirus software. It is committed to keep your information yours. Your information, your image, your voice. They are yours and yours alone to share with apps. macOS Mojave requires apps to get your approval before accessing the camera or microphone on your Mac. The same goes for data like your messages history and mail database. macOS Mojave works harder than ever to ensure your passwords are robust and unique. Safari automatically creates, stores, and autofills strong passwords for you, and it flags existing passwords that has been reused in Safari preferences, so you can easily update them. Security has never been so user-friendly. When you browse the web, the characteristics of your device can be used by advertisers to create a fingerprint to track you. Safari now thwarts this by only sharing a simplified system profile, and now improved intelligent tracking prevention keeps embedded content such as social media, like buttons, share buttons, and comment widgets from tracking you without your permission. So let's demonstrate this by going to System Preferences, Users and Groups. Now if you want to change anything in the users and groups, you have to click the lock, and then it will ask you to enter your password, but we're actually not going to do it. So that is the Mojave security patches. We will hope that macOS Mojave will continue to protect our data and encrypt it so that other people's don't actually track us. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my next video, and make sure to smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.